Okay, this video is to show you how to put chains in a clock. A couple ways of doing it. First of all, have the movement out of the clock. Grab a chain. Make sure your chains are all serviceable. I prefer to start with the time side, and you put some of the chain over the ratchet, and then using your finger, move it down. And make sure that the chain is on the ratchet itself. Okay, that's one way of putting the chain on. This is my daughter's clock. The chain, one of the chains came out. The click was bad in the movement on the strike side, so the click wasn't repairable. This is a Papo cuckoo clock. Even though it says Japan, made in Japan, right here on the clock it says Tezuka Clock Company, made in Japan. I hope you can see that. But the ratchet side, the strike side main gear, the click was bad. So I went ahead and replaced it. So I'm going to pause this video. I still have to put the high note and low note lift levers on, and the 8-star wheel, but I will come back and show you how to put a chain on while the movement is still in the clock. Okay, getting back to how to put a chain while it's in the clock. First of all, I want to talk about this. This is why there was a problem with this clock. This ratchet wheel is messed up. The click is there, right here, but the piece of metal that holds the click down is not there. It broke off. There's the click. And so instead of trying to mess with this, I'm just replace the great wheel for the strike side. Like this, even though this is a nice looking great wheel, it was just easier to replace it with some spare parts that I had laying around. Regula 25 is the same thing that's in this Papo cuckoo clock. Okay, I got the one chain in already, and I'm going to tie it up because I don't want it coming off the wheel that I just put in there. That should be suffice. It's easier to take the bellows out, and what you would do again with the serviceable chain is feed it down. The way this strike side chain works is it goes in from the right side of the clock and it comes down the left side of the clock. So feed it down the hole. Again, it's easier to take the bellows out. feed it onto the ratchet itself, and then with the screwdriver, move the ratchet. I gotta get it back on the ratchet. Actually, with a screwdriver, move the ratchet. And once you got a couple of teeth started, the chain will go up in there. So you want to rotate the clock down so the chain doesn't go in the wrong place. And there's the chain right there. So once you can grab a hold of the chain with your fingers, you can go ahead and pull the rest of it through. Now, of course, you have to take the washers and the hooks off to do this. If you have to replace the chain, let's say this chain was bad, take the hook off the chain, the hook, not the washer. Connect the new chain to where you took the hook off the chain, and just pull the new chain through. And once you got it pulled through, go ahead and connect your hook and your washer again, and then you have a new chain on your clock. I hope this video helps. God bless. Please hit the subscribe button. Please leave any comments, and have a great day.